Hello guys, my name is Kevin Keys, and today I want to show you how I clean my water dispenser, or rather how to clean your dispenser. Today many homes and offices has a water dispenser, and they are very convenient. You can have fresh cold water whenever you want, and also hot water to make black coffee or hot chocolate. So today I had a glass of water and later noticed it wasn't that clean, and hence decided to clean my dispenser. Well, it's not like I normally don't wash it, but I do ensure anytime I change the water I clean my dispenser as well. Apparently of late I haven't washed it for like 2 months now. I didn't wash. So I'll go straight ahead and tell you what I'll be using. These are the items I'll be using. Yeah, so I have a kitchen towel. That's a kitchen towel I'll be using to wipe off the dust from my dispenser. Then again, I have serviettes, aka paper towels. And then I have actually I'm not sure even if I'll use the paper towels. So here I have another hand towel, my kitchen hand towel. I'll be using it to dry off the water after washing. Then here I have a jug of hot water. It's not actually that hot, but it's warm water. And then I have white vinegar. I've been using it for quite some time now. I've been using white vinegar for, let me not say quite, but a longer time enough to actually disinfect wherever I'm washing my tomatoes, all those stuff, kitchen stuff. I use my vinegar to do so. Though you guys know you can even use your vinegar to make your salads. So on this other side I have a basin of water. The water is actually warm. The water is warm, so I'll still be using it. I'll start off with it to clean my dispenser. Yeah, so these are the main items that I'll be using. Those are the main items I will be using. So today I'll show you how to clean it, so you'll always have fresh water. Safety always comes first, so you'll start by unplugging it from the socket. Then we'll take the water container out. As you can see, my water container, I had already set it aside. Then this is the top part So I'll be using this towel to suck off the water from that tin. I'll call it a tin because I don't know how I should be calling it. Yeah, but that's what I'll be doing. As you can see, I've already sucked out water from that tin and I'm drying it out completely. So that's how I've washed the top part of it. I couldn't use soap. I could not use soap, but I'll pour in water. I'll pour in water, hot water, to pass through those points. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing. So this is where my towel come in handy. Like, I'm gonna use this towel. It's actually my kitchen towel. Don't see it big and then you think it's maybe a face towel or something. It's actually my kitchen towel. So I'm using it to wipe off the water from the lower part of the dispenser. I don't know whether I should call it a should I call it a cabinet, or should I call it a fridge, or should I what am I supposed to call it? Tell me guys what I should call it. I don't know what I should call it. Yeah, but that's how I'm doing it. I'm cleaning these parts completely. I'm making it completely dry. Make sure you do so even at the sides. Yeah. So at the back here, as you can see, that's the back part of it. So I'll also be wiping it off, the dust, just in case there's any dust left. I'll be wiping it off, as you can see. And I'll be also cleaning the wire, the electric So guys, there's this part, the white part, it has a knob. This part is actually, there's a place where the water stores itself. Like it now can't come out through the tap. So unless you open this part and pour the water, let me just do it so that you can see. So there you are. If you open that knob, it actually passes out the water through the behind part. As you can see, already I've removed out the water. So I'm done cleaning, so I'll be fixing this back to the way it was. As you can see, it's now sparkling clean. So that's how it was initially before me opening it. Yeah, so I'm sure you guys can try out doing yours. Then at the bottom part of my dispenser, I place my glass. I actually put my glasses at the bottom for just in case anyone needs a glass of water, he or she can easily reach out. Yeah, so apart from glasses, you tell me what else you put at that point. So my dispenser is actually a hot and warm water dispenser. So I'm using Dasani. I actually tried out the quencher water, but then their bottles are so weak. Then I had to go back to my old Dasani water. Yeah, so that's how I've cleaned my fridge. I hope you've learned something and maybe you'd teach someone. So I have these 2 tiny glass. Are they Tot glasses or something? I've been having them for quite some time. Some have broke, so I only had 2 left. So I've been using it for just in case anyone has to fetch water from the dispenser. And then there's usually those 2 drop that always remain at the tap part of it. As you can see, there's already some that is about to drop. So instead of